Okay, so this lesson is week 2, lesson 3 on horizontal asymptotes. Same chart as you've seen before. Notice that this time the horizontal asymptote information is highlighted. Let me get a pen here. Hold on. There we go. All right, so there's 3 different scenarios. All right, that's it. 3 different scenarios on how to find horizontal asymptotes. So I have 3 examples, all right? We're going to do one of each. So let's take a look at this first bullet right here. Okay, this first bullet. So if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, then there's a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. So let me show you exactly what that looks like. Here, the degree of this numerator is 1, and that's because the highest exponent that you can find on any letter is a 1. And the degree of the denominator is a 2. You can see it right there. All right, so again, the degree of the numerator is a 1, the degree of the denominator is a 2. And in that situation, the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. So for this particular answer, we would say y equals 0. Okay, next, let's take a look at the second bullet, which is here. Nope, not there, here. Okay, if the degree of the numerator and the denominator are the same. So let's take a look at this example real quick. You're going to have a line that is y equals a over b. A over b. Okay, now you may be asking yourself, well, what the heck are a and b? We'll continue to read. A is the leading coefficient of the numerator, and b is the leading coefficient of the denominator. So let's go back to this problem. So the leading coefficient of the numerator is a 4, and the leading coefficient of the denominator is a 2. So this horizontal asymptote should be y equals 4 over 2, or, and you are required to reduce y equals 2. All right, so then the third possible thing that could happen is that the degree of the the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, right? There's only 3 possible options. We're going to take a look at this last example. It's on the next slide. So here, if you take a look, the degree of the numerator is greater, right, than the degree of the denominator. This does not have a horizontal asymptote. No horizontal. Okay, it may have other asymptotes. In fact, we'll probably figure that out on the next lesson. We'll do this exact same problem, but it does not have a horizontal asymptote.